Alright. Use the background noise. Of course, that will always happen. So today, short interest update for GME. So let's go through the number quickly. Today is the 14th March of 2023. We ended trading day at 1691. After hours, nothing much there. And of course, intraday is that $1 increment. Again, you could see from 16 to 17 right there. Now, total short interest shares is the same. Day to cover went down a little bit, which means there's a little bit more volume today. And then the percentage is still the same. Of course, the new shorted volume is above 600,000 shares there. And then 62% in the lit off exchange. So that's 62% you don't get to see in the lit market. All right, so briefly though, I want to show you what I've been kind of looking into right here. Of course, I've shown you this before, so be on the lookout for that. And I think the theory is that they're gonna try to bounce it so that to that trend line right here, or bring it as low as possible, so that when the earnings is good, the momentum is not gonna be like crazy wild, so that they could not manage it. Imagine if they let this naturally move as it is. I'm sure if, let's say, earnings come and it was very good and it was traded at $21, right? It would have been higher, a lot higher. If it's really good earnings report, right? But if it's down here, if they could bring it down here, which I think they are successful at that, due to there's a lot of fear in the market. And of course today, I'll show you later what happened with AMC and how it kind of like relate to GME funds for some reason, right? Of course, they try to pin these two stocks together. Sorry about the background noise there. And of course, so just be on the lookout for that and be vigilant. It might come down to, for $14 to $15 right there. So that's what I'm looking for. Now, let me show you what I have here before I let you go. So as you can see, that red line right there versus, turn this down because I have it up already right there. Okay, so as you could see right here, you have two stock that is completely two different company. Now, because AMC had a shareholder meeting today, and of course they are voting yes on the conversion and the split coming, reverse stock split 10 to 1. The minute it was announced, yes, of course it's going down like crazy, right? And there you go, the same way with GME, and it's in the same time period. Let me hold on 1 second here. Got 9, same way right here, right? 910, 910. So again, it's blatant manipulation, right? What else would you call it? Again, these two stocks are totally different, right? But they try to peg them together. And this is how I think that they've been doing this for a long, long time, right? Because they know what's going on with AMC, but they don't know what's going on with GME. But they want to fool people into thinking that GME is the same thing as AMC. It's the same basket of stock. It's a meme stock. That's why they coined the word meme stock, right? So I hope people realize what they are getting into, and not getting duped by this whole, oh, it's the same stock, we're fighting the same fight. No, right? GME, it's looking great. right? I hope it's going down a little bit more because that means I could have more shares at the end of the year, right? Or even in 2 years, however long it takes for the company to be where it should be, right? And which is in a great position right now. I am so stoked for the GME shareholder, not the meeting, sorry, the earnings report. So let's celebrate the price that is kind of like lower price for GME, right? So, all right, guys, I have that's all I have, and I will see you tomorrow. Might be a little bit late as well because I'm busy with other stuff. So I will make sure to do one update though. But yes, it's been late lately, so I apologize for that. My hope is that you could see this in the morning and make your own trading position or whatever, right? By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a TA person. I don't know anything about that. I'm just learning as I go here. So, all right, that's all I have. Bye.